So in this video, I will be showing how to change the Google Apps for Admin Primary Domain. So this is a test account that I'm using in which the primary domain is the cuaemail.us, and you can think of it as the cardinalmail.cua.us, and the secondary domain is cardinalmail.org, which you can think of it as cua.edu. So if I go into the domains, here it is, cuaemail.us as the primary domain, and org as the so-called secondary domain. And in our scenario at CUA, we have cardinalmail.cu.edu as our primary domain. So the problem here is that when users they go into, so for example, I'm a user in my secondary domain, which is .org. So if I go into the calendar, and if I try to create a calendar entry, and if I try to add an attachment, I get this message. Whereas if I try with my primary domain, which is .us, which you can think of it as cardinalmail.cu.us, sorry, cardinalmail.cu.edu, and if I go to calendar, and if I try to create a calendar entry and add an attachment, I can add any attachment I want, or anything which is in the Google Drive. I can do that. So since we have moved everyone, students, faculty and staff, from primary domain over to secondary domain, it would be better if you can just change the primary domain from cardinal mail to cua.edu. But this is a test environment, so I'm just showing that how we can change the cuaemail.us to cuaemail.org. So open directory API, go to reference, customers, update, click on try it now. That will be my customer. Here you will use customer domain, and change it to the secondary domain, and click on authorize and execute, and you authorize this scope. Click on authorize and click on execute. So here it is. Now the cuaemail.org is now the primary domain. So that way I basically have to sign out and sign in again as and now if I go to calendar, try to create an attachment and upload, and I should be able to upload any file that I want. And org is was the secondary domain that has now become a primary domain.